tuppence for paper and string. You can have your own set of wings. With your feet on the ground, you're a bird in flight. With your fist holding tight to the string of your kite. Well, bless me soul, it's Mary Poppins.
Looking as lovely as always.
And we can't forget a good chum bird. Cheers, Bert. Oh, practically perfect in every way, those two. Oh, mind me manners. You haven't had me chums now, have you? Well, this here is Toe Tap and Tim. We've got Amazing Adrian. We've got Nervous Nick. Rollickin' Ron. Ha! Rowdy Robert. And Dazzlin' Danny. And me, I'm Dusty, your humble leader of the Purge. Should we play that song we just wrote for Mary Poppins?
Oh, that's a jolly good idea.
It's true that Mavis and Sybil left Wasteland and Rennie, Prudence and Gwendolyn set your heart spinning, Phoebe's delightful, Maud is disarming,
Janice, Felicia, and Lydia.
charming, Winifred's dashing, Vivian sweet, Stephanie smashing, Priscilla her treat,
Veronica, Miss, and Agnes, Jane.
Convivial company, time and again, Dorcas and Phyllis and Glynis her swords, I would agree, three jolly good sports, but cream of the crop, tip of the top, it's Mary Poppins, and there we start. Ain't it a glorious day, bright as the morning in May, I feel like I could fly. Have you ever seen the grass so green, or a bluer sky? Oh, it's a jolly holiday with Mary. Mary makes your heart so light. When the day is gray and ordinary, Mary makes the sun shine bright. Her happiness is blooming all around her. The daffodils are smiling at the dove. When Mary holds your hand, you feel so grand. Your heart starts beating like a big brass band. It's a jolly holiday with Mary. No wonder that it's Mary that we love. With Mary, no wonder that it's Mary that we love. No wonder that it's Mary that we love. No wonder that it's Mary that we love. Oh, wonderful job, everyone. It's a beautiful thing when people all sing together. It's been our spirits, I always say. And lovely job, Mary Poppins.
Oh, Mary Poppins, you know, that's such a lovely name. And you know what, speaking of names, I once knew a man with a wooden leg named Smith.
What was the name of his other leg? Why have I got a story for you?
All right, Danny.
My father just got a job working at a watch factory.
A watch factory? What's he do there?
Well, he stands around all day making faces. Oh, you know, I always say there's not quite like a good joke.
No, and that was nothing like a good joke. Enough of that now. Here's a word taught to us by Mary Poppins herself, and I bet some of you know it by heart.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie. It's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it doesn't quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always come precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie. Because I was afraid to speak, I was just a laugh. His father gave me notice, we told me I was out. But then one day I learned the word that made me ache your nose. The biggest word you ever heard. That's how it goes. I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie.
I've traveled around the world, and everywhere I went, I use the word and always say there goes a clever gent. When dukes and maharajas pass the time of day with me, I say the special word, and they ask me, I will say.
I'm the little lie, I'm the little lie.
You know, Dusty, some folks like to say this word backwards. Excuse me? No, that's not the idea. No, she's not. Actually, this is tragic. Thank you all. I'm going too far here.
Indubitably. So, when the cat has got his tongue, there's no need more to say. Sum it up this word, and he's got a lot to say. But better use it carefully, or it's a secret life. For example, last night I said it to me girl. I didn't know how many girls people me.
Congratulations.
Oh, and a lovely thing she is too.
Lovely.
She's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, 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 Wonderful job, everyone. Now let's see if we can all say this backwards. Mary Poppins, could you assist us, please?
Absolutely. All right, everyone. We got the Delicious. Allie. Exby. Listed. Reggie. Callie. Rufus. All together now. Delicious. Allie. Exby. Listed. Reggie. Callie. Rufus.
I say that, Dusty, you know it's time once again.
Time for what, Ron?
For another toe-tapping number.
What's what's happening today? You weren't thinking of that shooting speech out there, were you?
Yes, yes.
Well, this next two takes a bit of magic, but here we go. First you think, then you wink.